At this point, I'm convinced that Shebe's fans are as out of touch with reality as he is, because what do you mean? This guy has been doing everything in his power to go back to jail. And finally he's there. So what do you mean by all this? The Lokompa artist, whose real name is Lehlohonolo Katlego Chauke, was arrested on November 11th, 2025, right? And he's charged with 2 counts of attempted murder, possession of an unlicensed firearm and ammunition, malicious damage to property, and defeating the ends of justice. All these charges stems from an incident that occurred in the early hours of Sunday, October 19th, 2025, this very year, in Ladana, outside of Polokwane. There was a confrontation between Shebe and another motorist, right? And Shebe, instead of pulling himself towards himself, he fired several shots at the other motorist, leaving him with serious injuries. He had to be rushed to the nearest hospital to get treatment, and the man has been fighting for his life, right? So following his arrest, he appeared before the Polokwane Magistrate Court, and as of today, he remains behind bars, where he belongs, I would say. Because obviously by the way he's been acting, that's where he desperately wants to be. His case has been postponed, so he'll remain in police custody. Now let's talk about the impact this is having on his career. He will lose income, obviously, from this long list of bookings that are scheduled for this festive season. But apparently his wife or girlfriend remains hopeful amid this ongoing legal battle, so at least he has her. Which, according to Amahem on the streets, he doesn't even deserve to have her by his side, because apparently he has not been treating her well over the years. But fortunately for him, she's there supporting him. Meanwhile, there are people who are still asking, why is this happening to Shebe? Pray for him to come back to us. Justice for Shebe. Are y'all okay? Have you seen the things that this Shebe of yours has been doing? Even after the passing of his daughter, when everybody was hopeful that he'd change. Have you seen everything that he's been doing? Where he is right now is exactly where he needs to be. He needs to stay under the jail, okay? He needs the rehabilitation. What do you mean, justice for Shebe? As if he has been falsely arrested, as if there's some injustice happening to him. What do you mean? Anyway, let's continue this in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye, and thank you for watching.